You searched how to buy shares of Kustom Entertainment Inc. Kustom Entertainment Inc. operates in the entertainment production sector and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker KUST. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy KUST, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or ticker. Type KUST and select the listing that matches Kustom Entertainment Inc. on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to review basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the issuer name and ticker to ensure you have the correct KUST stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completion. After the trade completes, the position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description to continue learning.